All right. Um, y'all gotta let me know if the music is too loud. Give me a second. Yeah, man. Let me know if the music is too loud. Um, that's something I got in there. I added today so that yeah, when we're just sitting there watching paint dry in the market, y'all don't just gotta sit there and listen to me breathe. So it's a win-win. Put my phone right here. Yeah, man. Took a hit yesterday. Sorry, I'm loading up my logging into my broker. We took a hit yesterday. But today should be better. Or today will be better. NFP came out at 8:30. That's why we got this this crazy move up. Sorry, I'm still not looking at my my screen just yet. Had to download a update for this thing. Okay, password's wrong. Of course. And password's right. We got our we made our payout on our second payout on our funded accounts. So probably request that sometime the end of this week, honestly. Let me get the charts pulled up now. Yeah, probably will request that sometime the end of this week. Yeah, we got that yesterday. Even though we took a hit on cash. No pain, no gain. So we took out these highs. So we got going on here. 5 minutes till market open. You got this huge 4-hour gap, which I really don't like. We got this 1 hour right there. So, I was expecting a continuation down today, to about 608, or at least seeing 608, 606 before moving up. We're already at 616, so let's see how this does. The SPY is at all-time high. Yet again, I gotta figure out how to keep that dock over there. SPY is at all-time high. We're about to be. So I feel like they could tag that. Let's get tagged. Maybe even 700 before we start looking to trade downside. Definitely looking to trade downside today though. No doubt. After this move up. I'll look for longs maybe. It depends how where New York goes off open. So yeah, we got another pivot up there, but let's see higher time frame wise. Higher time frame wise, we got some ways to go. So I would like to see a slight pullback before this starts going up for sure. Took yesterday's high. Feel like we can grab those highs at open. Yes, still didn't take yesterday's high. Feel like we can grab these highs at open. Possibly run up to a pivot, and we can play the short off of that. That's what that is what I like for today. And Lord willing, we can catch this whole move down all the way back down to 611. make some nice money today. Patience will indeed be your best friend today. It's crazy though, because I liked longs off of here, like 130. And we just ever so slightly got there. And I seen this inverse this morning. I'm like, okay, this is not bad. To jab this, whatever, not signed in. But to jab this, stop beyond that low. But, you know, it's all it's all good. We got RSI is over. So yeah, I'm expecting maybe one more 15-minute close above this, and then we see a nice move down. This could just rip lower off open. We shall see. Might just stay on NDX today because that way I don't got flip back and forth. Like I said, if y'all can't hear the music or if it's too loud, let me know. It's just supposed to be like background noise, so nothing nothing crazy, just background noise. Looks like we opening up right above a pivot. Let's see what it must take. I'll jab this short. 619. Should be about 450 on NDX. Probably looking at 25 flat. That's not terrible strike actually. 25.3. Yeah, premiums for short is juiced. Let's see, these last few days, the 2 minute has been our friend. So let's see what we can get today. Like I said, I like shorts off of 619. Only thing is, this can go down to 15, potentially even 13, and run up there. And we took these highs out, so it's not it wouldn't be odd, so to speak, to if we were to get that. Just that shorts is spiked like 300-400 out the money. What I'm looking at, longs is like maybe 100 points out the money. So for sure, be patient. Got this 5 minute gap right here, then this 5 minute gap right there. So let's see. If we tap into this 5 minute gap, I wouldn't be opposed to longer. Anything before that though, most likely not. Get the Discord server pulled up. Get a nice pullback. Yeah. Like I said, I wouldn't even long off of this pivot. Just because we're like right there, so I would for sure long 25-200 though. This is a more riskier trade, not gonna lie. Yes, we do have bullish gaps that we are tapping into. I say we be patient though. We got this 2 minute right here. If this 2 minute gives out, let's check the R. I mean, if this 2-minute holds, I'm sorry. Target the high. This isn't terrible. We are still in the first 6 minutes of market open though, so let's just be patient. If we get to 613 though, I'll for sure long off of that. For sure long off of that. We get here, possibly dip and start trading higher. I can see that. Where we get here, dip, you get a bounce, and then it trades lower. Just gotta see. I feel like we do see 613 today. It's just a matter of what we do when we get there. Unless bulls throw it up right here. I was ready to say, like, where's my my volume at? So with that being said, if we could tap into here with no volume or little volume, I wouldn't be opposed to taking something like that. I'm tempted to jab this here on the fundeds though. Take this. Only thing is we got this 2-minute down here that we for sure can tap into. Let's be patient. Let's be patient because we just inverse this 1 minute. Looks like we about to inverse this one right there as well. Let's see. I feel like this is a respectable pullback for, you know, that move up. We do have this 5-minute right here also, so it might be a matter of it respecting this and trading higher. But I can see a test of a VWAP in this area, and we start going up. So let's look at that. We got a pivot right here as well, so yeah, about 613 and a bounce. See what SPY's looking like. SPY's at the pivot, probably like 693 or 694 for SPY, around that area. Like I said, if it doesn't launch out of this, but trading right here in this area or taking a trade, get an entry right here is going to be bad. It's going to be bad because if it doesn't get a if it doesn't start moving, then at least on options you're going to get fried. So let's be patient. Let's be patient. Make sure y'all like the stream though. Make sure y'all like the stream. Tap the like button. Discord link is in the description. Make sure y'all go check that out. And yeah. Let's see if it wants to react out of that 2 minute. one of two trades we take here today. Not interested in longing this right here, to be honest. I feel like this 5-minute gap is not what's going to be what pushes us up. To 619 at least. So I'm not going to do that. So yeah, let's see. Actually, if we have any we got this small 1 minute. Excuse me. We had a small 1 minute, but it's really nothing. ES had a nice, yeah, right here. Could have jabbed that if you're itching to take a trade, but just be patient. Looked like it wants about 287 before going up. Let's see. We got a nice 15-minute orb though. Really nice actually. So yesterday the orb did a fake out though. It broke it to the bottom for like maybe like 50 cents and then ran up. So let's not get faked out today. Even though we didn't take that trade yesterday. Let's just let's not get faked out today. This 2 minute this 2 minute would have been up. Would have been up some points. Not bad. I'm sorry, this 2 minute right here. Let's see though, because we did inverse this right here. So this could be a opportunity for short. Let's check premiums now. Sometimes they cool down, or most of the times they cool down. They still trade at about around the same price. 2070. Yeah, it's about 300 points away. The longs we got 480, which is about 100 points away. About 150 points. So I don't know, I feel like you could tell which way is getting baited. And I would say longs are getting baited. Be patient. Like I said, we did inverse this 2-minute right here, so makes sense we get a reaction out of that. Not really a crazy enough SMT to like NQs like this. ES is more so flat. Let's see. This could see 21 today, before getting any downside, so let's not rule that out. Sorry. Could see 21 higher time frame. Get a test of that daily pivot. In the super bullish case. But yeah. Let's the fact that this didn't pull back faster off open. I don't know. Let's see what what's today? We're right here. Yep. Only news 8:30, 8:30, 8:30. All the news is early. For cash open, so all the news is before the cash open. Put it on here. What's on my mind? As long as it's not aggressive or like super aggressive. See if this is actually a higher time frame. Yeah, so we have a higher time frame down here at 611, so don't want to get caught in it trying to draw to that. I don't know. We're respecting this 5-minute. Respecting this 5-minute, but it is choppy. So let's continue to do nothing. Let's continue to do nothing. Even though that is a 5-minute right there, this 2-minute is just about within that 5-minute. So let's see what happens come look like this is gonna stay nowhere until 10 o'clock. So let's see. I would have jumped in shorts, but just the strikes is maybe looking at like below yesterday's low for like to be in the money. Not really. Not really digging that. Got the volume right here. Yeah, 617 about yesterday's high. But fact is we took that out, so the move down is more likely. It's just a matter of getting an entry on that. Honestly. Because honestly, if we get down here at 613, I don't know. I might be a little hesitant before taking longs in the 30 minutes of 30 minutes of market open. We kind of went nowhere, so we're still trading within the orb. So yeah. Let's see. If you took longs out of this gap, you're just about, or you just about hit break even. You know, never hit target. So you could try to play the momentum out of here, or play the 15-minute breakout. Could get you a couple points from like 14, or you catch like a dollar move, honestly, but I would probably clip it after that. Let's see though. Okay. I'm sorry, that's a 1 minute. That's right there. This is the 2 minute. I like a test of this pivot though. So to show that we can hold it. So let's see, let's load up some. Blowing up costs. Gonna wait for this candle close. Don't want to jump in too early. I'm in long here. I am in long here. Honestly, it closed under here, disrespecting this fair value gap. We'll probably clip it for the trade. So let's see what price want to do. We finally got some gaps. I would say this would be our first pit stop right there. See how we react out of that. I would say wait, if you're not in yet, don't just jump in. You could get a better fill. You could possibly get a better fill, so really targeting these highs. But like I said, our first pit stop is this 2 minute gap. So an inversion of that is what's going to be here. See what respected that 2-minute gap. I would say if you're not in, you could get in now. Or stop at that low. Got 1 minute till this 5-minute closes. We are in though, so we are in. Let's let it run. Let it run. We go 60 point. Stop. Just a little bit beyond that that gap right there. And I like to see dollar amounts, but stream's already up. I don't want to put my login stuff on there. Let's see. We're at this pivot. So SPY hit that pivot too. Didn't mean to put that right there. Let's run it. Got that higher time frame wise. So this is the gap that it put in for NFP, so let's see if we would like to see this hold and continue to move higher. I would say this is a high probability trade. We're up a couple points, or we were up a couple points when you tapped into here, so yeah. It's green, it's green. Really just looking to get up out of this 2-minute gap. I would say after that, it's super good. It's just reacting out of that now, and VWAP was right there, so I'm just looking. Yeah. No No volume here whatsoever. It's holding it. All right. Like I said, this close right here, we're hands off. Whether it fully hits stop or not, it'll be inverse in this 5-minute gap. So very bearish signal, and it did. We're hands off. All out. All out. All good. Um. Let's see. Uh. Where this targets. You know. Higher time frame pivot right here. Uh. I would like to see. Honestly, just get down to 609. Uh. Yeah, completely wrong side of the trade. It's all good though. Do we get that 609? Or take these lows? You see that? Keep flushing to those lows, honestly. Only thing is, volume is like non-existent down here, so let's see. Price definitely did deliver out of this 2-minute gap. We were just had the wrong bias, so you know, it's all good. It's all good. We live with it. We took London. Didn't get a test of this pivot though. Let's see where volume wants to pick back up at. We got this POC from yesterday's session. So it will make, I wouldn't be surprised if it wanted to hang out around here, in this area rather. I do though. If this doesn't flip right here, I really like 607. If 607, maybe like 605. If that area doesn't hold, then probably GG's. Probably GG's. Not bad though. We caught like a 150 point banger yesterday and took a 50 point L today on these joints. So you know, name of the game. About to put in this huge 15-minute, hopefully not. Hopefully it doesn't want to put this oh, excuse me. It doesn't want to put in a 15-minute gap right here, and it pushes this up. I also forgot to I forgot to fix my like this so that way it's showing accurately. Actually, we're not doing anything better, so let's see if we can get that fixed. Okay, it says make sure it's on one wrist. I think NQ contract is 1,000. I think that's how you do it. I think you just change it to 1,000. Let's see. We got full test of this pivot right here, though. Not in anything. I'm just trying to fix my tool on here. Okay. I think I just had it wrong. Let's see what's going on here. We got this 1 minute right here. NQ is moving though. I don't know. I'm really not comfortable. I like longs, but not comfortable longing this yet. Make sure I like the stream though. Like the stream, like the stream. That helps out. Not much going on. If this pivot can't hold, you know, we see the next one. I think I'm just pull up the paper one so I could check the price. Let's see. 607 is this last hope. Let's see if we by the end of the day we close above that though. So that would be that would be important. just chopping though for now, which doesn't necessarily surprise me. After we put that that huge move down. Let's see. Like we close putting in this 5 minute really just gotta see how we react out of that. I mean out of this out of the 15 minute. Let's see. Thing is, it I feel like we're gonna base out around 610. We'll see volume like in this we can see volume or price stay within this area for a while. So until we either break further below or start trading around like 612, I'll really be uninterested until then. I have seen it, and they will slingshot this boy right back up, all within 15 minutes. So let's just be patient. Let's be patient. Take another high. Another high probability setup. Because though longs wasn't bad there, it was really either do or die. So I'm glad we had our stop right here, because you know this thing just kept melting. Pretty sure we inverse some gaps. Nope. Didn't even inverse this one. we can't hold this pivot, we will see a new lower day. Where she goes from there, only the Lord knows. Feels though we do close above 25,170 to maintain, you know, like that overall bullish point of view on the daily time frame. It would honestly make more sense if we close up in the 4s, but we'll see. We'll see. This could just be a pullback for shorts. This though we won't know until we get in this area between 2 and 300. And then from there we could either get a reaction out of this 15-minute. Sorry. A reaction out of this 15-minute and continue further down at that point. Or if we inverse, I think maybe this top 5-minute within this 15-minute. I feel like that sets us up to take out these highs pretty easily. So let's see. Like volume's picking up, which you know, it's a good sign, but you know, we kind of want this to get brought up fast. Excuse me. You don't want to see volume picking up. You don't want to see volume picking up and price like moving slow. So I like seeing like this move that right here was, it was good. We just didn't get our entry. Which is fine. I had this high marked out to be swept before taking downside. This is all good, but you'll see we kind of push past this, melting through like the low volume zone. So if we just keep building up volume, keep building up and moving up slow, it'd be a day like yesterday, a whole bunch of fake outs. Down, move up, move down, move up, start move down, and then, you know, rip up a couple hours later. We want to be patient. And it seems like price would agree. Got a nice little reaction off of this level. Just be patient. They could grind this back up for the rest of the day, so no point in rushing the trade. Gotta tell kill zones kind of got taken out already, so take those off. Chart look a little bit cleaner for y'all. We are approaching a 5-minute gap right here, so see how we get out of that. I'll be right back. I'm about to get some Vaseline. Let's about dries them up. All right. Sorry, guys. Went to go get me a little snacky snack. It is 11 o'clock. Like I said, we tapped into this 15-minute, and yeah, it looks like as if it wants to trade lower. I would like to see us hold this 5-minute right here, though. If we're gonna look for a VWAP, which could very much so happen. Again, just a matter of being patient and letting the trades come to you and not run into the trades. So let's see. Test this, back test this pivot, and all within this 5-minute candle. Should be broke above it. I would like to see us hold it, and then continue going up. It looks like POC might pick up right here. This area, like 611. Let's see though. This is nice. That's what I like to see. Yes, Lord. This is what I like to see. Now, how many points are we away? Oops. Sorry. How many points are we away from VWAP to target those highs? If we take just the straight inversion, let's see. This looks good though. This looks really good. We got this bullish engulfing candle. This actually looks really good. Let's see. If we could close above VWAP. We got 6 more minutes until this 15-minute candle close. Let's see if it can close on the other side of this gap, and then we'll look to take a jab at longs from there. Like we get a close right here, probably get something like that, and then target that. We could work that. I could work with that. Let's see. This is a strong candle though. You respected this little 5-minute more than this 15-minute. So again, we gotta see how we react to VWAP, because we can test VWAP and get slammed back down. So would not want that to happen. Like I said, how many points are we? Oh. 'Let's see. I might just put all my NASDAQ journals on one screen, honestly. I like this 5-minute gap though, y'all. Let's see if we inverse it and target this. Or if we respect it. So if we get a closure above this gap right here, we get one pullback back into this area. And then we can continue to trade higher out of that. I see that being a nice move. Got 3 minutes. Get that off my screen. 3 minutes into this 15-minute close though, so let's see what we get. I feel like what is okay, maybe I got it marked out different on there. $0.50 away from our entry on long right there. Like long's off 607. Now we'll really just be playing a continuation one way or the other, honestly. Like a test of VWAP. Let's see how we react. Honestly, I can remove this 15-minute because it pretty much aligns with the pivot. So I'm gonna mark this out though. We got this 2-minute gap. See. It's close, but honestly, the first stop is 264. Next stop would be like 290. We could close above both of those. This sets us up. pretty nice for too long. Let's see. Spies POC flipped though, so it's not a it's not a good sign. Either we want to rubber band back to this area, or we kind of stay within this range right here. Said V up. The president said the market's gonna fly, so it is. All right. At 25, 150. Let's see. But QQQ's POC almost flipped right here as well. Probably got because we got that strong move up, but it didn't flip. So let's see. Same way with that small 5-minute. Now that we extended out of that, we will want to hold this if we were to continue trading higher. I am just hands off at the moment. Uh, yeah. Longs don't shoot up like how it did and put up another leg. GG's, because we just about inverse that John. So make sure my mic is on. Yeah, we just about inverse that John. So yeah, it could be clips. It could be clips for long. Let's see. The lower time frame. We've got anything. That is the question indeed. If we can if this continues down. Told y'all we get pinned right here. This POC on our other volume John is, you know, up. So let's actually see what premiums are looking like. Two, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. What exactly? I'm sorry. 2, 4, 9. can see that. This being a draw. Then this being a draw. So, I believe we just got that inverse on that 5 minute. Yeah. So let's see. I-60. New lower day. This looked like it wants to just disrespect that that inverse though, so let's see if we get some type of SMT right here at the highs, and I would really like shorts. Need ES to push up a little bit. Preferably tap into this 5 minute right there. Create a SMT, and then yeah, we jab at that jaw. I like this. This is looking good. Gonna be a little bit more patient. We do got the SMT, but price can quickly flip that and take those highs out. Let's see how we react off a test of this pivot. And, you know, if we don't get the entry, then GG's. Did we put any bullish moves going up? Not exactly any that I like. You know, we just did inverse this 5 minute right here, and you know, 5 minutes ago we inversed this one, and we inversed in this one, so this is not PA that people want to trade. Honestly, you could jab. Jabbing longs right there doesn't look terrible. Out of this 2 minute gap, tight stop. It doesn't look bad, in my opinion. Let's see. It looks like we're holding under VWAP. We can't get a close above it. Disregard this 2 minute. Sorry. Just inverse this 5. So and we got SMT at, okay, gonna have to change that. Probably when I had a darker jaw, then I switched to a lighter one, a lighter chart. Be patient, see what let's be patient, see what we get. It's looking like we get more upside, but you never know dealing with this thing. Looking like we pushed through this SMT.
Look, look. We're back.
The red sun, he said higher time frame. Our time frame bias is where God takes us. Straight to heaven. On up. See if we get that today though. I think I like the no fill no background boxes. Just makes the chart look cleaner. Yeah, man. Makes the chart look cleaner. Yeah. I mean, we tapped them back. We tapped back into this inverse. So longs aren't. It made it 2 points. No background. Border. What purple did I pick? I think it was that one. First, nope. Of course it wasn't. The second one. Second to last row. They made me do that. Second one. Second last. There we go. I'm gonna see how, because I wouldn't be able to tell if the music's loud or not. Until after the stream, since no one said anything, or if it's not loud enough. So give me a second, I'm gonna check that. All right. It's not terrible. I feel like it's good right there. Minus 55. It's not bad right there. So, especially when I'm not talking, it's loud enough. So that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. 618 today. No say. I don't know about that one, but it looks like we're back up in volumes picking up in the good zone. So so wouldn't have been a bad one to take. We just didn't get our entry on it. Came short a couple points, so Let's wait. We push past this SMT. So push past this SMT. So let's see. Now we just be patient. Look for higher time frame. Look for higher time frame confirmations. Honestly would like to see a close above 289 on the 15-minute. And I'll probably long price size down again today. Hop on the micros. Oh. Okay. Rejecting VWAP, so probably hop on the micros and take a stab at it. Take a stab at it on the micros, whatever that may be. Honestly, at this point, approaching 12 o'clock, so yeah, no, we already cleared the amount for a payout, so I'm not going to risk that. Looks like we can't even inverse this 2-minute right here, honestly. The fact that we tapped into it, sold, tap, sold. If we take this low, we could keep working down. If we don't take this low right here, then we'll probably trade higher. Let's see. We got this 2-minute right here. This was our initial, this was what we was initially looking for upside. Let's see if this it's looking like it's about to inverse this 2-minute. All right, you might be catching continuation shorts. It looks like we're not holding VWAP. This would be the tell-all candle right here on the 15. Let's see. See what the risk reward would be on that. Honestly, I might feel better taking just a jab at tapping back into this 2-minute. Stop above that. Let's see. ES gotta close above VWAP. Then that 1 5-minute obviously close below it, and the 9 and the 15 EMA. So we could really react out of this 1 minute. Just not it's not a good time to get in my opinion. We're back in about halfway of that move, so the 5-minute gap is irrelevant. We are respecting this 15-minute though. Let's see. Let's see how this candle closes, whether it closes nice music. Thanks. Let's see if it closes which way it closes rather. Is it too loud? Is the music too loud? Is it, you know? Is it just right? Perfect. Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah. Knew you get a reaction out of that, but you know, really didn't want to risk 50 points on it today. We already took a 50-point L, so this next one got to be, you know, high probability. High probability trade. These people are hilarious. Not gonna lie. We probably get all-time high this week for the S&P. For sure. Kind of figured we get jammed in this area. Or I said that earlier this morning once we got this move down. That we gonna spend some time going back and forth. So we really looking to clear 613, honestly. For longs, or really break below like 609 for any shorts. Also didn't think we was gonna you know, reject VWAP like that. So let's see. We should see 610 or back up to 612 soon. But yeah, make sure y'all like the stream, if you're not in the Discord, go join the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, go join it. Amen. Oh yeah, maybe he said it. 610, 612. It's kind of like chop zone. Just about hit halfway, trading halfway into this leg down. So let's see where we go from here. Let's see, folks, what we get. Let's see what we get. I'm literally about to turn Hey Siri off. So every time I say let's see, it pops up. All we need is for that orange hair man to make a little tweet like he did last time. What he tweet last time, bro? He tweeted something like 2 o'clock. We got this crazy candle. Like, if we were to get it right now, it's literally like this. One candle. I'm like, oh, okay. You were in calls. You got paid almost instantly. I might jab this short if we create another SMT at these highs, bro. First one we created, we put in a nice put in this little move down right here. So let's see. Be between ES and Q. ES takes this high. But NQ doesn't. I think I will. Let's see. Yeah. I'd be mad at that. Wouldn't be mad at that. I thought when we pushed past it right here, this high at 1124, I thought we would have continued to trade higher, honestly. That's why I didn't get in it. But that's normally what that means, like when we got SMTs between the two indices at the highs. Price normally continues to go lower, but like I said earlier today, man, it's kind of like it's undecided. We like inverse the 5-minute gap right here, and then inversed another one, then inversed it, respected it, and disrespected another one. When PA's like that, just gotta chill. Just gotta chill. Looking to take one trade. Just got to, you know, take it at a nice point of interest. Yeah, man, if y'all use Top Step for y'all use Top Step for y'all broker, please stop now. They are terrible. Stay having problems. Stay not paying people. Absolutely terrible. POC's about to flip right here. It's looking like it wants to flip at about 612. We're just about where we left off. On the day 0.6, or not even 0.6, 0.06 on the day. So Mm. Yeah, we do have a higher time frame pivot, which we are trading at. This would be any draw on the upside. Just about 615. And anything other than that, don't think I'll be too interested in. I don't know, man. We got a fresh hourly candle in about 12 minutes, so let's see if that tests 612 and we get a bounce there, or if we just go right back down to 607. We're holding this gap though. I just peeped from what is this, Monday. We're not closing below it. Yeah, I see it better. I'll take that off. We're not closing below it, which is good. It's actually a 4-hour gap. So, oh, and we get a fresh 4 hours, a fresh 4-hour candle in 12 minutes. So, yeah, let's just wait till then. Probably give it like the first 30 minutes of that candle before we just go take a little break. So Y'all just waiting, man. Like I said, we'll give it to about 12:30. Kind of go from there, see what we get. Is that 5 minute at? That's right here. I can't see it though. Can you put it in 10:30? Hmm. Go like 50. And target VWAP. PLC is about to flip. Right here about 610.50. It's looking like. So see if it wants to respect this higher time frame pivot though. Uh, let's see. We could deliver out of this 5 minute. Yet again. Or if this is just about to chop to the end of the day. Let's see. I have a bearish 5 minute right here. It's thin, but yeah. Let me say we've been moving off of nothing all day. see what this it doesn't surprise me. See if we can clear 613 with some volume this go around. If we get up there, I feel as though if we get up there again though, we hold it. If they want to send it back down, now is probably where they would do it at. A back test of this pivot that we just broke down. Their PLC did flip, so which I kind of figured. So either we flip it again up here at about 612.5 and you start trading higher, or we go lower from here. That's what I mean though. We're just inverse this 5 minute. Which is a bullish signal, but we're not really getting any strong moves. Every time we put in a strong move, it just flips, and we're in this how can I, oh, not that. We're in like this range, right here. Wait, hold up. How do I? Alright, I promise I'm not doing this on purpose. How do I get this John off my... Oh, just go back to the clicker. Okay. I gotta hit the clicker to go back to the clicker. Got it, got it. See, boom, 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 boom. Alright, perfect. But yeah, y'all seen we're in that we're in this range. So I think that might be it for the stream. And I probably will be in trading in the server. I think I'm gonna wrap it up for stream here. So it's lunchtime. Didn't really do anything. We can see what this will look like. Let's see the R on this though. Or preferably put my stop right here. It's kind of a little bit too high. This isn't terrible. This 2 minute over here that we've been respecting. You see what that'll look like. 100 points. I don't think that's too bad. Like I said, we are back testing this pivot that we just broke down though, so it could get slammed here and we don't even get an entry on it. That's life. See if we can catch something before we hop off. Let's see. Not gonna lie, I have been liking the 2 minute more than the one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Computer is, you know, bugging out. And yeah. I'll stay to see if we can get this though. See if we get a reaction off of VWAP. Stop at that high, about halfway into this that gap. So yeah. Well, we took 1L on stream. So yeah. You know, it's all good. I'll catch y'all tomorrow for those in the server. I'll see y'all throughout the day. Update y'all on whether I take this or not. But yeah, we back 9:30 tomorrow. So I'll see y'all then. All right.